My last con, but not least, is the customer service. What's going on, good people? It's your boy RGG, a regular gun guy. Welcome to my YouTube channel, where I bring you gun content that everybody can relate to. If this is your first time here and you enjoy this video, leave me a thumbs up and smash that sub button. And if you're returning to the channel, I appreciate you more than you'll ever know. So in today's video, we're doing a revisit, right, of a gun that I've talked about before that you probably hear about all the time, unless you're under some 2A rock or something. We're talking about the Fusion Firearms XP Pro. Not the Comp, not the XF, but we're talking about the XP Pro. The original guy that Fusion came out with, right? This gun is essentially a 2011 variant, 1911 double stack technically. And today I want to do a revisit. Boy, it's sunny out here. We talking about late February. It's gotta be, let me see what time it is. It has got to be, it's 9:12 a.m. and it's gotta be every bit of 83 degrees. Sun in my eyes right now is crazy. Either way, this firearm's empty and safe right now. We are on a gun range. I've had some time behind this gun, some time to run it. I did a review on it before. There are some pros and cons that I'll get into later on in the video, so stick around for that. Right now, I'm at maybe a little bit over 2,000 rounds through this gun. And at one point, I had considered getting some work done to it, which I ended up not doing. I'm like, no, it just looks too good, so I'm not gonna do any work to it. We have it equipped with a Streamlight TLR1 HL from Optics Planet. Shout out to them. And we have a O-Sight C on here. As you can see, the slide is smooth. Everything about this gun runs. But I want to just update you guys on what it's been doing, how it's been doing. We'll shoot it. We'll go over some stuff. Because people often ask, you know, how's that Fusion gun? How's the XP Pro? Should I get the XP Pro or the XP Comp? First, I want to show you guys the trigger in this thing. Now that I've got a couple thousand rounds through it, as you see, there's little to no take up. This trigger's nice and sturdy. Nice clean break. And let you see the reset. Nice reset. Break. This one is probably breaking at right around 3 pounds for all my trigger snobs. For those of you who are kind of like me, not trigger snobs, then you might not care. You just want to see how this thing shoots. So we'll get into that. We'll talk about some things. We'll see how the accuracy is at this point and all of that. We'll do some cool stuff, man. So stick with me. I'll be back. Okay, I'm locked in. We ready to go. I'm going to start out just kind of showing you guys what the accuracy is like, man. I'm able to shoot this gun well. We'll group from 10 and then we'll group from 15, show you what that looks like. Then we'll just shoot this thing a little bit and then, you know, we'll talk about it. Okay, so first let me go down and show you guys what I'm shooting at. Come with me, walk with me. This target right here, I'm gonna start out shooting to that top left, so I'll point to it. We'll be shooting here. And then we'll back up, shoot to the middle from 15 yards, and then we'll go over to my 8-inch steel gong, because that's like my favorite steel target. Top left. That's 5 shots. I'm a little off right there. I'm gonna go top right, see if I can do a little better. Take my time, 5 more. That was a lot better. I think my bulb's just going left, but hey, it is what it is. I'm okay with that. Let's back this thing up to 15, see what we can do. Okie dokie smoky. We are at a hot 15 piece, chicken dinner, mild sauce. I'm going to the middle, 5 shots. Are we empty already? Dang. Hold on, y'all, let me reload. All right. I should have had another magazine loaded anyway, but I didn't. We have 15. I had only taken 1 shot, so I'm just gonna start where I left off. Let's go. That's not bad. 15 yards, that's not bad. So like I said earlier in the video, I would talk about the pros and the cons of the Fusion gun, Fusion overall, in my opinion. So as far as the gun is concerned, you know, the pros are these firearms shoot well. They shoot very well. They look really good, right? Because that's important. And it's important that I say I consider myself more of a novice shooter, right? Not a newbie, somewhere average, slightly above average shooter. I just shoot a lot, right? But I'm really more of a hobbyist enthusiast. I'm not a competition shooter. I'm not a gunsmith. I'm not deep into it like that. Say that different. What you hear from me is simply my opinion, and it'll probably relate to most of you guys watching this video. They take a lot of time. They put a lot of time and effort into these firearms. I know this from going down to the facility and visiting and seeing the work that these guys put in is something to watch, and it's something to see, right? If you ever get a chance to experience it, you should. Beyond that, the customer service there is outstanding. Even if a gun has a slight issue, they're gonna take care of it. They're gonna help you through it. So that I've seen firsthand myself as well, and got feedback from people in and around the community that have purchased their firearms. This one as well as the others. Not only do they have this, I'm sure you guys have seen the XP Comp, and even more recently, they got a 3-inch version of the gun that should be hitting the market soon. I've seen the pre-sales are out there. So again, this gun has ran awesome. After a couple thousand rounds through it, today I did another 500-600 rounds. In terms of reliability over that time, I probably had maybe 2 malfunctions total. One of them I'm pretty sure was my fault. Other than that, this thing has ran flawless. It is a 2011 variant that takes Glock mags. You have to decide. There's a few others on the market. I do think it's the best value variant 2011 style gun on the market. When I say variant, I mean 2011s that take Glock mags or a different type of mag. So you only got a few out there, which is this one, the Platypus, the Staccato, the HD, and the SIG, the GTO. I think those are the only ones. Somebody correct me. I know Alpha Foxtrot got one, but I don't, you know, they haven't been a whole lot of buzz around that one yet. So yeah, I think this is probably the best value one. In my personal opinion, overall, I still think the Platypus is still the one to beat when it comes to those Glock mag variants. But you're gonna pay a little bit more for a Platypus, but Fusion is right on their ass, Tin Martin, you hear me? But it's all preference, SPO, subjective preference, opinion. Now, let's talk about the cons. So some of the cons that I had are similar to what I had when I first reviewed the XP Pro, which is the grip module. I'm not the hugest fan of. On hot days like down here in Florida, it can get slippery for me. I still shoot it fine, but it could cause a problem for somebody else, or it could be something that bothers you like it bothers me a little bit. Outside of that, it's a heavier gun, right? It's thick, so I'm not concealed carrying it, even though I know like 3 people that conceal carry this Fusion XP Pro. Crazy. It's too short and thick for me, you know. I don't know if that's a con, but that's just something, a reason why I don't carry it. My last con, but not least, is the customer service. I know I said earlier the customer service is superb, and it is. They go above and beyond to help us. So you have to hear what I'm saying here. Bob, who's the owner over there at Fusion, he gon' really try to beat me up when I say this, but it's okay, because I gotta tell him. He's too nice. He's too nice. He's so nice that I think people often try to take advantage, but he's a smart guy, so he doesn't allow that as much. But I'm just saying, he's so nice, man. He got such a heart, and I think that's what's making them successful more so than anything, man. So listen, Bob, stop being too nice, okay? Be nice, but not too nice. Don't let them finesse you. You know, you ever feel like they finessing, call me. Shout out to Fusion Firearms, XP Pro, 2,000 rounds. Gun has done great. I can't complain. Let's shoot this thing some more. I'm back now. Uh-oh, miss. Oh, we empty. Do me a favor. Stay solid. It's free. Defend what you love.